What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Hold on. Everything on the surface would get hurled eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. But this wild ride is only the beginning of the disaster. Earth is spinning right now at a crazy speed, and it's not just for show. This spin affects everything: our gravity, weather, even the length of our days. But what would happen if that spin suddenly came to a halt? Let's find out. First, gravity would change instantly. Without the spin, the centrifugal force that slightly pushes things outward would vanish. So instead of feeling stable on solid ground, everything on Earth would get flung eastward. Oceans, buildings, you, me, at over 1,000 miles per hour. Imagine the chaos as cities and landscapes are ripped apart. And the planet itself would start to change shape. Right now, the Earth bulges at the equator because of the spin. Without that, the Earth would flatten at the poles and stretch out around the middle, cracking open the surface and triggering huge earthquakes. Now think about day and night. If Earth stops spinning, one side would be stuck in permanent daylight while the other side would be in eternal darkness. That's months of non-stop sunlight on one side, scorching hot, and freezing cold on the other. And the weather? It would go completely insane. Storms would rage non-stop, with winds faster than anything we've seen. Without the regular rotation, the planet would lose its balance, leading to crazy, out-of-control storms that would tear across the globe. But here's the worst part: massive tsunamis. With Earth stopping, the oceans, still moving, would crash onto the land, sending waves hundreds of feet high. Cities along the coastlines would be wiped out in minutes. Then the earthquakes. They'd be so powerful they could split continents apart. The planet's crust would buckle, sending shock waves around the world. It'd be a global disaster, and no place on Earth would be safe. In short, if Earth stopped spinning, we'd face a planet-wide catastrophe. From giant waves and earthquakes to endless storms and extreme temperatures, life on Earth would be thrown into total chaos. Our planet's spin is what keeps everything in balance, and without it, nothing would survive. What do you think would happen if Earth stopped spinning? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to know what you think. And if you love crazy science like this, don't miss our next video on how the moon could destroy Earth. Yep, it's possible.